What is the date today?
16th January.
These guys are dumb too. I don't know how we are gonna survive this trip. Pritha, how are we gonna survive this trip? We are three dumb people.
I literally just got bitten by some plant.
What?
Hello.
Guys, we are going on the most impromptu trip ever. हम लोग रूम में तो गंदा छोड़ के जाने वाले हैं. Look at this mess.
सेमेस्टर के एंड में एक कुछ करना चाहिए था.
हमें हर सेमेस्टर एक ट्रिप लेनी चाहिए थी.
What the hell?
हम लोग लास्ट सेमेस्टर जा गए हैं. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I look like I'm going for hiking for the first time in 4 years.
Okay, how excited are you on the scale of 1 to 10?
10. How excited
10,
are you?
10.
Excited are you? Tejas?
Infinity. It's broken.
We're finally making this trip happen. Only yesterday we booked the bus ticket.
How did this trip happen?
Okay, so day before yesterday, I asked Pritha, do you want to go to the to Landosh? And I asked her कि आज तेजस्वी, and then she said yes, okay. मतलब इन लोगों ने ऐसे yes बोल दिया.
I said yes because I knew for a fact it was not gonna happen. Like I was like, okay, she's just asking, I'll just say yes. What's gonna happen? And yesterday, that's when it hit me that it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
And Aditri started booking tickets. It was
what's
like,
happening?
okay, it's actually happening.
So we are finally going.
अभी हम लोग कैब ले रहे हैं कश्मीरी गेट तक.
हमारी 11:30 की बस है.
And then we started at 9:30. Imagine how
Yeah.
punctual we are.
And 9:30 means 9:30. We made a stop. We should get going.
Oh, sorry.
It's 11, almost 11. We are leaving.
I guess the bus has started moving.
We're late. We're supposed to start at 11:30, but it's 11:45. We left at 9:30 from the hostel.
Guys, it's too cold. These guys are dying.
तो डाई नहीं कर रही.
No, I'm not dying, I'm fine. We have reached. Wait, I need to check what this place is.
Dehradun, bhai.
Oh yeah, we have reached Dehradun.
It's past Dehradun.
No, it's Dehradun. We have reached Dehradun and we are leaving Mussoorie from here in a cab. Guys, we are finally in Mussoorie. Check out the view. That is where we have to go. Look at the path we have to reach there. I should probably not vlog while walking because I'm dumb. So let me just reach there. These guys are dumb too. I don't know how we are gonna survive this trip. Pritha, how are we gonna survive this trip? We are three dumb people.
I literally just got bitten by some plant.
What? Oh god, we are dumb people. Guys, first we were not able to find the hostel. Then Pritha got bitten by a plant. Then there is a cow here. Oh my god.
What if it takes a step back?
Oh.
It's gonna fly down.
No way. Guys, look at this woman. She's sleeping here. I just brushed my teeth and freshened up. And wait, let me show you the view. हमारा plans change हो गए.
Good morning. देखो ना देखो.
Guys, finally we made it. Guys, it's too sunny. धूप मेरी आँखों में घुस रही है. We are. Yeah, imagine not putting on sunscreen.
Give me sunscreen, na then.
I don't have it now.
I was sleeping. What's more important? Sleep.
Okay, we came to Cafe Hinge, where the Jiswi is gonna download Hinge. These hostel ke cafes are pretty nice and cheap. Cheap? We came to Mussoorie and what we ordered? We ordered club sandwiches.
And next we are gonna order pani puri.
उसके बाद पराठा. Check-in was at 1. We came at 10. 9:30. We came at 9:30, so they didn't give us room. We were sitting in the common area, and then we had to use the common washroom, which was not empty for a single second.
Like if you go a second late, you would miss the chance to eat. Fun part of the trip is cafe hopping.
And eating. I should do that.
What?
देखो ना guys, देखो ना.
Hasn't it been like 3 or 4 years?
No,
Oh my god,
Why is it deep
this
red?
looks tasty though. Without tasting. Brother's having a paneer sandwich basically. We are having. Nice. Yours is bad.
Oh, apple pie.
No. See, we have to eat this every day.
Look at this amazing thing with hamburgers.
Oh yeah, I can. I swear this is a disaster.
Oh, I want to. Do. This is a very big
This is a
spoon.
disaster. I'm gonna play Pritha.
This can't be a disaster. It's like cake with the tiramisu on top of it. This is mixed raspberry gelato, which is also available in Delhi, but we want to try the Dehradun one. This is made in Dehradun, served in Mussoorie. With a taste check. वैसे हम taste तो कर चुके हैं.
After a disastrous sandwich in a mid dessert,
This is what you needed.
this is what I need.
Guys, we finally got the room. Yeah. This is the small room, guys. Standard private room of hostel. Without balcony, yeah.
No windows.
That one got sold out. Windows are there. They're not.
But very not good to look at.
It's 1:52. I just took a bath and मैंने rollers लगाए हैं ताकि मेरे बाल थोड़े से ठीक हो जाएं. Otherwise, step cut man doesn't look good. And these guys are still sleeping. Hi guys, we are ready. इन लोगों को उठाते उठाते मैं थक गई. But finally,
ओए मैं वैसे भी
They are
50.
success. मैं तो सोई ही नहीं क्योंकि मेरे को पता था मैं फिर ये भी नहीं उठेंगे मैं भी नहीं उठूंगी.
क्योंकि तू vampire है. मुझे नहीं सो सकती.
वहाँ पर नहीं हूँ. Guys, fit check. I'm wearing black inside.
हम लुट रहे लेकिन अबे
ये तो हमसे चला नहीं जा रहा. पता नहीं ट्रैक कैसे करेंगे.
अभी से पूरा 1 किलोमीटर आप पे बस हमें 2 किलोमीटर मोटर रोड के थ्रू लेके जाएगा.
वो हमें बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है. मतलब आई डोंट गेट इट कि हमें मॉल रोड से जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट जाना है. टेल मी इफ यू हैव बीन देयर. क्या हमारा बेवकूफ़ बन रहा है या वी गॉट अ डील. सो ही इज टेकिंग 1100 अप एंड डाउन.
फ्रॉम लाइब्रेरी चौक
Yeah, which I don't know is good or not, but we are going
क्योंकि अब टाइम भी नहीं है.
because we don't have a choice.
दूसरी बात सन किस तो तू लग रही है मैं.
Hi guys, we have started the trek and we just have to walk 1 kilometer. हमने अभी तक कितना करा होगा 200 मीटर.
उससे ज़्यादा किया है.
आई एम फीलिंग दिल्ली में रह के मेरी लंग कैपेसिटी ख़राब हो गई है. कैच इट्स ओके. Guys, we have started. We have to be there in 20 minutes. Otherwise, we'll miss sunset. I don't think so. I'm watch my. Oh my god! Look at this view. Wait. Sky looks pretty from here. We're finally here.
Tejas water's over. Why is your skin so weird?
Look at this.
We did it.
You look amazing. Hi. It's so windy. Guys, we finally made it. Guys, look at the skyline. It's so windy.
It's very pretty. It's worth it.
We were contemplating on whether we should climb up to the top or not. But then we decided that we should, and it's really pretty. Like, look at the view.
And we also saw the Himalayas, the foothills.
And yes, and literally yesterday we were not even sure that we were gonna come.
Yeah, हम लोग sunrise के लिए आने वाले थे, but I think the sunset's much better.
So guys, take
Whatever we do
impromptu.
is actually much better.
Yeah.
It's gonna be better.
It's really
That's
pretty.
how it is.
Like it's really windy, but it's really pretty.
It's 100 on 100, guys.
Yeah, my hair is totally frizzed up right now.
Yeah,
But it looks good.
और हम लोग टाइम से ऊपर से नीचे भी
Yeah, it's
उतर
away
गए.
from the pollution also, you know, like.
like,
Yeah, what's
I
the
want,
time?
Yeah, I was just gonna check. Okay, I'll check.
I want to sit and like breathe for
Yeah, we
some
can do
time.
that.
I want to do that.
Haan, Delhi na. So that's what we'll be doing.
Delhi's like.
Look at this, guys.
Diversity in like scenic views as much as you see in India. Like if you go to Denmark, it's just farmlands. If you go to Switzerland, you'll see the Alps. यहाँ पे you're like seeing the green foothills, the snow-capped Himalayas.
Yeah, like a lot of things
a lot
together.
of things together. So it's like it's magnificent.
Yeah, it was a really beautiful experience. Hey, look at her. Yeah. Guys, Pritha is trying to figure out what that star is.
Please.
The lighting was so good then.
call Elsie out on this. She did record the last video that we were talking.
I mean, I forgot to switch on the button. How can I do this? Oh my god.
How is it?
And Pritha telling me, ki, Elsie, I don't think you're recording.
You forgetting is one point and
Pritha reminding
pointing
me.
it out. Yeah, is another point. So we were saying that we had such a reproductive. We had such a
reproductive day.
Yeah, we had such a productive day. The cafes were so cozy and pretty. Even though the food is sweet, you know why we go there.
We did all of the things that we thought we want to. And
Yeah, it's so peaceful now.
only our legs hurt and my arms also hurt for some reason. I don't know why.
Maybe because of the camera carrying you did all day.
We are going to this place, Kalsam, to eat something.
We're gonna have a big fat meal.
We ordered fried chicken and chicken fried rice, and Pritha ordered sweet corn soup and what else? Noodles. Some Thai. Tejas wife. We're gonna write something and put it in here.
What do we write?
What should we write?
Cheers to our final year.
Yeah, and then our names. In Masuri, in something.
More trips, more girl trips to come. And right to
What is the date today?
16th January. Yeah.
Wait. my god, my hair. How is the tiramisu?
It's better than the one dessert we had.
But
It's very thin, see. Just बीच में एक थोड़ा सा लाइन वो build है.
guys, I lived 2 days in one day, and I'm dozing off now.